Hi, I'm Scott Batterack. I'm the owner of this store, as well as 3 others in the greater San Diego area. The biggest thing that went with me was the cost of going with Imonex. It was far less expensive than going with any other payment systems. As far as a credit card reader, I was able to save almost half the amount to outfit the store with the drops over any of the card systems out there. And at the change machine, they can use a credit card to access the tokens out of the machine, or they can just put in cash in the validator and get the tokens out of the machine. So it's a very simple process. Here at the machine, one slot, it'll read $1, and then we can read a quarter as well. So it's very easy for the customer not to get confused on what's some dollar coin and quarter coin have 2 slots, and it is confusing. So it's easier for the customer. One slot does everything. What I like about it is my coin boxes don't fill up as quick. So I empty those out, and when I go back, I sort them, and after sorting them, I put them right back into the change machine. The other thing I like a lot that helped me quite a bit is promote my business. I can take a handful of dollar tokens down to the shelter, down to the homeless shelter, over here to the convalescent place, and I give them out and just tell them come on in. I do it at Christmas time, we do it at the holiday times, and I'm actually thinking about starting up a raffle and doing a raffle maybe for $100 worth of tokens once a month or once a week. I've recommended this system to other laundry owners that I've met that come in and wanted to come and look at the store. We've talked about the system, and they asked me how I feel about it. I said, I like it a lot. I knew there was a top-notch company. I was able to call the owner, Butch, and Butch was available anytime we had an issue with the programming, and it was over the course of maybe a week. I had many questions when we were getting started, and Butch always answered my calls, always returned my emails. So in that regard, I knew with dealing with Imonex that and when you can talk to the owner of the company and they pick up the phone to answer your questions, then I knew they were a top-notch company, and I appreciate that. I'm on Imonex because it's just a simple system. I have the ability for paying. I can go tokens, I can go quarters, I can go dollar coins, all in one drop, one slot. So that's the main reason I chose Imonex. I just feel it's a very simple, and it's simple for the customer. And in this business, the more simple it is, the better it is for the customer, the better it is for the owner.